Hello students, let's start the class. This is class 8 and a history teacher asks a question. Students, how many of you read newspaper? Some responded, me sir, me too. Reading a newspaper is really a good habit. Now tell me, why do you read newspaper? To get updated with what's happening around us? Excellent. What information do you get? Sir, we get information about politics, arts, sports, cultures, local news, and economic growth. Very good, students. Newspaper provides information about the contemporary events. Thus, newspaper and periodicals serve as useful and important written source in writing history. Today, we shall learn about written source of modern India. Written source includes newspaper, periodical, official records, foreign accounts, biography, autobiography, and books. In pre-independence period, there were newspapers such as Kesari, Amrit Bazar Patrika, Jnana Prakash, etc. acted as an important source in awakening the minds of the people. It also helps Indians understand how British policies were exploiting the country. It were not only the source of political events but also source of social reform. It covers local news and stories of common people. Therefore, newspaper is the best source in understanding contemporary events of modern India. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar started a newspaper named Mukh Nayak in 1920. However, he had to hand it over to his colleague as he went for his further studies to England. Again, he came up with newspaper Bahishkrut Bharat 1947 along with two another newspapers Janta and Prabudh Bharat. Through this medium, he emphasized in the reformation of the common people and bringing unity among them. He worked tirelessly towards liberating India of the outcast and building a new and enlightened India. Maps and drawings are another important source of history. The British believed that in order to administer effectively, the country need to be properly known. Therefore, a survey was carried out at the beginning of 19th century to map the entire country. Changing nature of the city in a particular area can be traced through maps. In addition to that, the British can also analyze all the features of the region, namely topography, soil quality, flora and fauna, local histories, and cropping patterns. The Survey of India, an independent department established by the British, created maps of India, various provinces and cities through scientific methods. Also, plans designed by architects helps us understand the development process of a particular area. For example, the Department of Mumbai Port Trust has the original plan of the Bombay Port information about the development of Bombay city. Thank you. For more such videos, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button.